Before we get into Coinbase here, just explain again what Bitcoin Cash is versus Bitcoin for those who have not kept up on every step of the move here.
Yeah, for the uninitiated, Bitcoin Cash is a spinoff, as you mentioned, from normal Bitcoin, basically. So what happened in August was you saw this hard fork, or this split that happened when the mining community decided that they would start using another blockchain, a different blockchain, and it split off from Bitcoin. So you have Bitcoin over here and Bitcoin Cash over here, and they both are operating on different blockchains.
So what happened yesterday, Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, or at least in the US, for buying Bitcoin. Why do people find the sort of conditions surrounding the announcement that they're going to also buy and sell Bitcoin Cash to be interesting or suspicious?
It's a big deal that Coinbase announced that it would allow a trading in Bitcoin Cash, because for all those intervening months, they hadn't allowed it on their exchange yet. And what you would assume is that the price would go up, which is what happened when they made this announcement. Because they're huge in terms of volume, kind of retail facing. And so you saw that surge. But the other thing that happened was there were trades happening before Coinbase even announced we're going to allow Bitcoin Cash to trade on our exchange. You see some trading happening and some increase in price happening too before the announcement came out.
And as soon as that happened, the CEO of Coinbase had, that was last night, had to write up a Medium post. A Medium post. Nothing good happens if you have to write a Medium post.
Exactly.
That's like, I'm going to go my whole life, by the way, without ever having to write a Medium post.
And you'll consider that a success.
I'll consider that a success, about how they're going to investigate to see if any of their own employees were the ones buying Bitcoin Cash ahead of this announcement.
Precisely. So if you had known that Coinbase was going to list Bitcoin Cash, you could connect the dots and say, hey, the price is going to rise. So the thing that they're investigating now is, did any employees inappropriately trade ahead of the announcement? But it does wade into some territory which is a little bit uncharted in terms of regulation, because these aren't actually securities.